Hello students, welcome to my one new video. Welcome to my channel ला एजुकेशन क्लास 8। तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं आपको रेशनल नंबर्स पढ़ाने वाला हूँ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स, पहले हम तो हेडिंग देते हैं रेशनल नंबर्स। एक मिनट रुकिए। रेशनल मैं हाथ से लिख रहा हूँ, इसलिए थोड़ा हैंड राइटिंग को मत दिखिएगा। रेशनल नंबर्स। तो रेशनल नंबर्स जानने से पहले हम तीन नंबर्स को जानेंगे, जिसका नाम है नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर और इंटीजर्स। ये सब आप क्लास 7 और 6 में अभी पढ़कर आ चुके हैं, पर मैं आपको एक क्विक रिकैप दे देता हूँ। तो पहले हम देखेंगे नेचुरल नंबर्स। So natural numbers are the natural numbers are the counting numbers that occur naturally from our mouth only. Means in simple language, if you will see, natural numbers are used for counting, or otherwise counting numbers are called natural numbers, and these numbers are occur naturally. ये जो नंबर्स है मतलब हमारे नेचुरली मुंह से मतलब निकलते हैं। सपोज एग्जांपल देखते हैं, तो अगर आपके स्कूल में देखेंगे प्रेयर के टाइम पे एक लाइन में सब बच्चे खड़े हैं, तो टीचर क्या करते हैं, एक बच्चे को बोलते हैं मॉनिटर को, तो वो बोलते हैं कि कितने बच्चे हैं बोलो। तो पहले गिनता है 1 2 3 4 अप टू जितने भी 40 या 42 बच्चे हो गए। तो numbers which occur naturally from our mouth, or in simple language, if it will come in exam, we can write it as counting numbers are known as natural numbers. And these okay, let us write first counting numbers. एक मिनट रुकिए जरा। counting numbers are known as natural numbers. And students, counting and natural numbers start from 1 to infinity, means it has no limit. So means example, from suppose 1 2 3 4 up to infinity, means it has no limit. So I know you can't, means my handwriting is here not good. So you have to first write natural numbers. So write natural numbers. After writing natural numbers, write counting numbers are known as natural numbers, or the numbers which occurs naturally. Example I said now that about the line of your school, and also write the second point that these numbers start from 1 up to infinity. So this is the concept of natural numbers. So let us study now whole numbers. Because see students, and please be careful, these are all very important in your 8th class. You all have to know this also. आप सबको ये जानना चाहिए, मतलब ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आगे को ये बहुत ज़रूरत है। हम पहले अभी 8 में अभी ये पढ़ेंगे, फिर 9th में आप इरेशनल नंबर्स पढ़ेंगे, तो उस समय थोड़ा आपको दिक्कत आ सकती है। इरेशनल नंबर्स, रियल नंबर्स कितने क्या पढ़ेंगे, तो ये अभी बेसिक जितना है उसको मतलब जान लीजिए। फिर नेक्स्ट हमारा आता है whole numbers. So generally there is not much difference between whole numbers and natural numbers. There is one difference between them, is that natural numbers start from 1 to infinity and whole numbers start from 0 to infinity. So here we can write all the counting numbers. Wait please. All the counting numbers, you write it, I am dictating you, all the counting numbers starting from 0 to infinity are known as whole numbers. So all the counting numbers, including zero to infinity, are known as whole numbers. So note it quickly in your notebook, and you write this example also. Suppose 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So after writing these, then we'll study another concept, which is integers. So let us study integers now. Give me 1 minute. Okay. अरे तो चलिए अब इंटीजर्स को पढ़ते हैं. तो पेन का मार्किंग थोड़ा चेंज कर लेता हूँ. इंटीजर्स आपने देखा होगा आपके 7th क्लास में आपका फर्स्ट चैप्टर इंटीजर्स था. मतलब उसमें आपको बेसिक्स नॉलेज पढ़ाया गया था. वहाँ पर पढ़ाया गया था कि क्या 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 था वहाँ पर यह था कि इंटीजर्स का डेफिनेशन था, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स, नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स. तो यहाँ पर हमें सिर्फ पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स पढ़ना है. आपको 7th का एक बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट बता देता हूँ. इसमें बच्चे बहुत गलती करते हैं. तो आपको ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट याद होगा, प्लस माइनस इक्वल टू प्लस, प्लस साइन एडेड विथ प्लस साइन इक्वल टू प्लस, माइनस प्लस, प्लस माइनस माइनस, माइनस प्लस माइनस. सो ये आपको कॉन्सेप्ट याद होगा. मैंने आपको क्विक थोड़ा रिकैप कर दिया. ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट का आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आपको याद नहीं आ रहा तो ये इसे सुनकर याद कर लीजिएगा. तो चलिए अब हम कहते हैं इंटीजर्स का डेफिनेशन शुरू करते हैं. तो बेसिकली इंटीजर्स क्या है? इंटीजर्स so basically integers are the collection of natural numbers including 0 and all with positive and negative of natural numbers. Means understand here, means integers are the collection of natural numbers. Collection of natural numbers means these are also all the counting numbers are also integers, including 0, means including the number 0 with all the negative of natural numbers. Suppose means understand the word negative of natural numbers. Means see, suppose this is 1, 2 and 3. These are 3 natural numbers. Negative of natural numbers are -1, -2, -3 up to infinity. This is the negative of natural numbers. So here this is saying that all the integers are the collection of natural numbers with 0 and negative of natural numbers. So remember this point. And integers are both positive and negative. Means it can be written in the form of both positive and negative form. So okay, so now we these 3 concepts are there in the class. These 3 concepts you have to learn. Then now let us start rational numbers, which is the chapter of our first chapter of our 8th class. So let us start rational numbers. So basically rational numbers, first listen, before saying rational numbers, we have to study first fractional numbers. Fractional numbers is also there in your class 7. In fractional numbers, let us do the difference between fractional numbers and rational numbers first. Now let us first understand the definition of fractional numbers. Okay, so here fractional numbers are the numbers, means I am detecting you, please write it. So fractional numbers are the numbers, those are written in the form of p by q. Means in this form, p by q means this speed is divided by q, and in the here p and q are both whole numbers. and q is not equal to here 0, means suppose one whole number will take 1 upon 2. This is a fractional number. So if we will means one statement you heard now, q is not equal to 0. Okay, suppose here we will take one example, another whole number 2, and here we will take 0. Okay, so this is the number which means if we will do the long division of this number, here the answer will come undefined. You see here, suppose this is 2, we'll divide it by 0, then see 2. Here if we will add on point 0, no, wait, 0, here 0, then another 0, means this number has no means it is this number has no value, and this is means there is no stop in this number, means this number is undefined. We say it as undefined or not defined. This number is undefined or not defined. So basically we have to learn only fractional numbers are the numbers which are which can be written in the form of p by q, where both p and q are whole numbers, and here q is not equal to 0. Okay, clear? Now then we have rational numbers. Okay, so rational numbers, let us see rational numbers now. So here basically there is not much difference between rational numbers and fractional number. What is the difference is that means these are also in the form of p by q as fractional numbers, but here p and q are both integers, means p and q are integers, and here also that q is not equal to 0, same as natural means fractional numbers, but here p and q are integers. Understand the concept. P and q are integers, means p means these means rational numbers can be both negative and positive. Now we heard the heard the definition of integers na, means it is both positive, negative and 0. So here means these numbers, let us see here. You see what to say. Yes, see, integers are negative, so means we can write it as minus 2 by minus 3, which is 2 by 3. Okay, you see here one basic concept is there. If minus is divided by minus, I forgot to say you that, sorry, minus divided by minus, then plus, minus divided with plus, then minus, plus divided with minus, minus. Okay, and after that minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, and minus into minus, minus into plus, minus. Okay, you learn this basic concept because this basic concept is there in higher classes also, and here also I will means there will be use of this basic concept. See students, if you don't have the knowledge of this basic concept, then there will be a very difficult it means you will feel very difficult to do the questions of rational numbers and natural numbers, which are in the form of minus and plus. Suppose one question is given minus 2 plus 3. Many students do here mistake that they add it only, they don't include the minus, they add 2 plus 3 5. So this is means here you should not do that mistake. Okay, means one suppose now I only said minus 2 plus 3. Here I said now rule just now only minus plus plus equal to minus, means here you have to do subtraction, means you have to subtract minus means 3 with minus 2. See how I am doing, 3 minus 2, you have to subtract with the like that only, 3 with minus 2, which is minus 1. Okay, so learn this basic concept. Now only I also one suppose example is there, minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, so here it will be now I said minus minus plus. Okay, here it will be plus 5, but listen one, remember this point, when there is minus we have to see the higher number. Okay, means which is the greatest number here, 3, and what is the sign of 3, minus. So in the answer also we have to give one minus sign. if you will not give the minus sign in the answer, this will be this answer will be wrong and the teacher will cut your marks. Okay. Let us take one another example. What to say? Suppose given 2 minus 3. Many students what do that? They write the answer 1, which is wrong. So you see I am doing now 2 minus 3. Okay, now I said plus minus minus equal to minus. Okay, means here you have to do subtraction. Okay, so here if we will do 2 minus 3, let us first understand 3 minus 2. What is the value of 3 minus 2? We write 3 minus 2 1. Okay, 3 minus 2 1. So here given 2 minus 3 means the reciprocal. Okay, so we can write here it the answer means first we have to do 3 minus 2. Okay, the answer is coming 1. And now see the sign of the higher number. Okay, higher number sign is minus, so in the answer also you have to give one minus sign. Okay, अंडरस्टूड, क्लियर? क्या बात मेरी समझ में आई? ऐसे ही आपको आप लोगों को करना है, ठीक है? और डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन का भी है, मैं आपको एग्जांपल अभी देता हूँ. सपोज आपको दिया होगा -2 × 3. ओके, पहले हमको सिंपल क्या करना है, साइन को हमें देखना ही नहीं है, ठीक है? पहले हमको 2 × 3 कितना है, 6. ओके, 6 आने के बाद यहाँ पर आउटसाइड में क्या है, माइनस साइन, तो यहाँ पर एक माइनस साइन लगा देना है. तो बेसिकली इसमें कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि ये इसमें थोड़ा प्लस एडिशन प्लस जो एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन की तरह ये नहीं है, ये अलग है. मैंने अभी जो बोला था माइनस × माइनस प्लस, मतलब सपोज आपको अभी दिया है -2 × -3. ओके, सो बेसिकली यू मल्टीप्लाई 2 with 3. ओके, the answer is coming 6. Okay, if you see in the both numbers, in the case of multiplication, if there is minus sign in both the numbers, then in the answer you give one plus sign or you don't give any sign, because 6 is also similar to plus sign, means plus 6. Okay, now suppose if it is given -3 × 2. Okay, so here you see there is only negative sign in one number and positive sign in the second number, and here you don't have to see the greatest number. Okay, remember this, here you don't have to see the greatest number. Okay, so now here it will be please give me a time. Here it will be, so first you have to multiply 3 × 2. Okay, it will be 6, and here one minus sign is there, you have to give one minus sign. See, means students, I want to say you that, see that means that if there is a minus sign in one number only, then the answer will come in minus. Okay, now that I one example, I say -3 × 2, so you don't have to do anything. First forget the minus sign. Okay, you only do the basic calculation, that 3 × 2 6. Okay, and now see the question, means is there sign in two numbers or one number? If there is sign in one number, then the answer will be in the form of minus. Okay, so keep this in mind. Okay, so now yes, we are now in rational numbers. I said that rational numbers are the numbers which can be written in as means in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Okay, so now see integers means integers, and I said both negative and both positive. मैंने अभी बोला ना आपको, इंटीजर्स बोथ नेगेटिव और बोथ पॉजिटिव है, इसलिए हम इसको मतलब रेशनल नंबर्स नेगेटिव हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, सपोज हमने ये रेशनल नंबर ले लिया -2/3, या एक रेशनल नंबर ले लिया -3/2, तो ये सब नेगेटिव नंबर्स है जो कि रेशनल नंबर्स है. रेशनल नंबर्स पॉजिटिव भी हो सकते हैं. सपोज हमने ले लिया 2/3, 3/5, 6/9, ऐसे कितने ले लिया. पर आपको और एक डिफरेंस भी बताता हूँ. फ्रैक्शनल नंबर्स में क्या है ना, fractional numbers can only be positive. Okay, students, remember this point. I am saying you very important things now. Okay, remember this point, that fractional numbers can only be positive. No negative, fractional numbers cannot be negative. Okay, one statement you learn here, I am saying you, all the fractional numbers can be rational numbers. Okay, means all the fractional numbers are both all positive, and rational numbers can be also positive. So here we can say that all fractional numbers are rational numbers. But remember one point, all the rational numbers cannot be fractional numbers, okay, because rational numbers include minus sign na. So here all the rational numbers cannot be fractional numbers, okay. Please listen me carefully and remember this point. And I want to say this is my first video, means first educational video. So if you like this video, means like my teaching, then please share among your friends so that other students can see, and also please like and subscribe my channel, okay. So let us see another thing. Then after that there is addition and subtraction of rational numbers, and multiplication is also there. And remember one thing, there is also one thing I want to say about fractions also. Now we heard about fractional numbers na. So here fractions are of two types which you are reading from 5th class only, but I am saying your basic knowledge. Proper fraction, improper fraction. See, you may be thinking that why why sir is saying that. So I am saying that because some students all may forget this, so I am saying, okay, improper fraction, mixed fraction, okay. So basically here what happens that first let us see the definition of proper fractions. So basically proper fractions are the fractions which means in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Can you understand my point? Numerator less than the denominator, okay. So suppose one number is there 1 by 3, this is a proper fraction, okay, because here you can see numerator is less than the denominator. 1 means 1 is less than 3, okay. So here the numerator is less than denominator, in so in this case the fractional numbers are proper. And and improper fraction is the opposite, in which the numerator is greater than the denominator, okay. Remember this point, numerator is greater than the denominator. Suppose one example I will say 5 by 3, 6 by no sir not 6 by 3 we can take, 8 by 7. So these all are the numbers which are both means improper. And these numbers are in these numbers numerator is greater than the denominator, okay. So now we and last number is there, last fraction is there, mixed fraction, okay. So mixed fractions are the fraction, basically you know, I don't have to explain, I know you can write mixed fractions are these types of fractions only, okay. So these types of fractions are known as mixed fraction. And see, before saying mixed fractions, you know, suppose improper fraction is given 5 by 3, you can convert this fraction into mixed fraction, okay. So see here, look, wait, please let me zoom it. So mixed fraction are the fraction means proper fractions can be expressed in the form of mixed fraction. See, this is a proper improper fraction. Sorry, improper fraction can be expressed in the way of mixed fractions, okay. This is a improper fraction, okay. So now if I will we can express this in the by doing long division. See, 3 5 divided by 3, so 5 will be inside and 3 will be outside, means 3. So if I divide means 3, then it will be 3, means here it will be 1, and here it will be 2. And see students, there is no need of here taking point and doing like this, okay. There is no need of doing this, okay. When the remainder means when the remainder came, so let it be, okay. And how you can express, I am saying you, means first you have to write the means write this number, okay. This is this number you have to write, okay. First like this you have to write this number, means in any case, okay. And after that you have to write the remainder, means here. And this number means this is the remainder, your remainder, okay. Here you have to write, and this one means the divisor you have to write it here, okay. So like these students you have to write it, okay. This is known as a mixed fraction, okay. So I understood, so I can means I think that your concept is clear now. So if you have any doubt, then you can comment me in my comment section, I will clear your doubt, okay. So now let us see what is next. Now we have addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers, division of rational numbers, okay. So now basically let us so in the next video I will say you the properties of rational numbers. Okay, so now basically let us see the addition of rational numbers. Okay, so addition of rational numbers, you know, in class 7th also it is taught. You know, I think some students know or some students may not know. I know this clearly because I have also passed out 8 only. I know my friends are also there like that. So see, so if it is given, suppose one number is there in the form of a by c or p by q only. Okay, this number can be same as p by q also. Okay, a by c or p by q. Here you can see the denominator is same. Okay, denominator is c. Okay, here the denominator is c. Okay, so here you put, means suppose I am saying you in this form one number is given 3 by 2 plus 4 by 2. Okay, so here means that these two you have to write it, means take here common and write it like this. Okay, means basically you have to take here the LCM. If you will take the LCM of 2 and 2, then it will 2 1 and 1. Okay, so this is the LCM. You have to take here the LCM. Okay, and after that you have to divide these two with the, means with these two. Okay, what is coming 1, means here if you have to divide 2 with 2 divided by 2. Okay, 1 is coming, and that one you have to multiply here. Okay, you have to multiply here and the result will come 3. After that here the denominator is 2, so here you have to divide 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2 it's coming 1, and then you have to multiply that 1 with 4. Okay, so I have multiplied that one and this is the result, and so you have to add this, so it is coming 7, and you have to write this number here which is 7 by 2. Okay, clear? If there is any doubt, then comment me in the comment section. Okay, don't be shy and comment it me in my comment section. Okay, and then second, if there will be, suppose this is the this is means here denominator is same. Okay, this is one example. If I will say you the second example, minus 1 by 2 plus minus sorry plus 7 by 2. Okay, here you can see the suppose you means you don't include this number now. Okay, let it be in the side. Okay, wait, this is the question. Okay, let it be in the side. First we have to do 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2. I now only I said you the process how to do 1 plus 7 by 2. Okay, so it will be 8 by 2. Okay, if you will divide 8 with 2, then the answer is coming 4. Okay, and here if you will see, means in the this question here you can see the greater number sign is plus. Okay, so here there will the sign will be plus. Okay, and a smaller number sign is minus, so here there nothing, no link is there with this number, so you can see here the greater number is plus. Okay, so here there will be sign, means the positive sign. Okay, okay, so now if there will be a different denominator. Okay, suppose if there is 2 by 7 plus 3 by 9. Okay, so if you will see the LCM of these two numbers, then it will be 7 and 9. If you will see, so it will be 3 7 3, so it will be 3 into 7 into 21, which is equal to 63. Okay, so now we have to write 63 in the denominator. Okay, we have written 63, and after that we have to divide this 63 with 7. Okay, and after dividing it the answer is coming 9. Okay, and we have to multiply that 9 with 2. Okay, understand my concept? Okay, what I am saying, first you have to divide 63 with 7. Okay, the answer is coming 9. Okay, and we have to multiply that 9 with 2. Okay, 9 into 2 18. Okay, and after that here also we have to divide the 63 with 9. Okay, here it is coming 7. Okay, and that 7 you have to multiply with 3. Okay, it is coming 21. Okay, 39 by 63. Okay, so this is your answer, and if we will reduce this number, means we can cut it by 3, it will be coming 13 by 21. Okay, clear? Then okay, so these all are the numbers. I will also give you more example. If anyone is not clear, then keep it in my comment section. I will also give you more examples of this number, or I will make you understand your doubt. Okay. Okay, let us. So I am giving you one homework. Please wait. Okay. So the homework is solve this number question. Okay, please solve this question. I am you may be thinking that I am online, so I means I will know means I don't know, or I will not punish you. I know that I will not punish you, but for your best only I am giving. Okay, so do this. The questions are 2 by 7 plus 9 by 3. Okay, after that means 10 questions I will give you. Okay, after that 4 by 14 plus 9 by 14. Second question. Okay, third question 3 by 7 plus 8 by 7. Okay, fourth question 6 by 8 plus 9 by 8. Okay, one two three four. Fifth question 5 by 3 plus 9 by 7. Okay, I don't want to give you much, so you take this 1 2 3 4 5 questions as homework, and do it. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. If your concept is clear, then subscribe means share it among all of your friends, so that then they can see this video and their concept will also become clear. And also please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt regarding any question or anything that we have discussed in the class, then comment me in the comment section. Okay, thank you, bye.